Hey everybody, Luxinda Swirl here. Looky looky, it's a new month and we have a new Mr. Nola's Glitter Wanderlust box. So let's see where we're going this month. I think I already know. I saw a picture. But that doesn't mean I have any idea what's in here. So this should be a big surprise. Oh yeah, this was the picture I saw. Welcome to Roswell. Oh, this is going to be so exciting. Okay, let's read the opening blurb. Roswell, New Mexico. We all know what may or may not be there, don't we? Especially if we're sci-fi fans. Hey travelers, it's time for a road trip with the family. This month we are packing our bags and heading to the city of Roswell, New Mexico to take in the desert sights and catch glimpses of the unknown. Cue the X-Files music that I don't have. This lively city is known widely for the UFO incident of 1947, and they have definitely embraced the extraterrestrial connotation. There's no lack of things to do if you're a fan of the alien kind or just want to explore the native cacti. So pack into the RV, pretend you love each other, and enjoy the journey. XOXO, wish you were here. How cool is that? Oh, this should be fun. Okay, let's get into it. Oh, the dreaded grass. Okay, let me battle the grass first. So we start with our clear cast. This is from Crafty Thrivin' LLC. There are a lot of UFO related things, but also some, I don't know, camping things, traveling things, road trip, baggage. Enjoy each day, but don't carry too much baggage. That's a good philosophy to have. Looks like, oh, yeah, okay, so it's a UFO and two aliens. Each one could be a charm or a keychain fob. Very cool. A collection of designs made from Crafty Thrivin's clear cast material. These decals are inspired by the adventurous spirit of our road trip and the extraterrestrial friends we'll meet along the way. It's called the Roswell UFO Incident Silicone Mold. Get ready for a close encounter of the cute kind. These little alien heads are paired with a little UFO to make perfect earrings or small keychains. Here we go, Sightseeing Succulents Diamond Painting Stickers. An adorable set of 8 little succulent diamond painting stickers inspired by the desert landscape seen during our adventure through the land of enchantment. I know absolutely nothing about these. Nothing. If anyone watching has used these things, good heavens. Leave a comment below and some tips you might have or suggestions. Wow. Check the there's more. Okay, good. I was a little worried that I wouldn't know what to do. I see, so it's sort of a paint by numbers thing. These are coated and so are the stickers. So you put the colors on and you get a picking tool and a little tray to pour your beads into, and you create your stickers. So you get 3D stickers when you're done. Liquid Sculpey, liquid polymer clay. Well, that's an interesting idea. Liquid Sculpey, a liquid polymer clay material that bakes into a strong but flexible finish. Mix in your glitter and micas and follow the baking instructions to make your Roswell UFO incident mold. Preheat your mold before filling by baking at 275 for 15 minutes to get the perfect finish. So we take this mold, preheat it, and then use this with our glitters. That is a fascinating idea. I've never heard of liquid. I've heard of Sculpey, but I've never heard of liquid Sculpey. So first up we have Route 66. Here it is, Route 66, a 2-ounce jar of a deep blue, rust orange, and emerald green dot mix. Named after one of the most famous road trip routes in the United States, this glitter invokes everything from the desert landscapes to the mountainous regions one can see while traveling on Route 66. As usual, these bottles are super full. Very, very pretty, very dotty. Land of Enchantment. A 2-ounce jar of a beautiful candy green, iridescent, small, chunky mix. This semi-translucent glitter has a gorgeous, unique color, very reminiscent of the official nickname of the New Mexico state, Land of Enchantment. pretty. Extraterrestrial. 2-ounce jar of a true alien green glitter packaged in our Wanderlust jar. Extraterrestrial is a small, chunky, iridescent mix that has a beautiful gold flash. So this is the same type of small, chunky mix as the Land of Enchantment, but this is a much greener, much alien greener color. Okay, and finally we have UFO. 2 ounces of a unique holographic, ooh, good, blackened green glitter, it says blackened green glitter that will make you wonder if you're seeing the unexplained. This custom mix has large and small black hexes along with a bright green tinsel throughout. Oh my goodness. I don't even know how much that's going to show up on camera, but wow. That is dark and holographic and furry all at the same time. So those are our 4 glitters for this month. We have shapes. Oh, yay. I was hoping for little alien heads, but I think I already have some of those, so that's okay. We get stars. Okay, Spacewalk Star Shapes. A 1/2 ounce bag of sparkling star shapes to add to any of your out-of-this-world projects. It looks holographic. It really does. At least the silver stars are holographic, I believe. There are big silver stars with the little stars punched out of the middle, and then the little stars are in here too. And then we have red 4-pointed stars as well. Far Out Green Glow Mica. A 5-gram jar of neon green mica that glows like the bright lights of a flying saucer. And then Desert Sky Blue Glow Mica. A 5-gram jar of a bright blue glow mica reminiscent of a cloudless desert sky. Look at that, paint pens. Holy moly. Route Planning Paint Pen. A set of oil-based paint pens perfect for planning your road trip route on a map or adding the final details on an epoxy craft. They also work great to add color onto the baked liquid Sculpey. Wow, there is a lot in this box. So we have our micas, our glow micas, our glow powders. We have our shapes, our stars. We have our 4 beautiful glitters. We have our liquid polymer clay, our liquid Sculpey. We have diamond sticker pictures of cacti to play with, and a pen and a tray to go with. We have a small silicone mold of a UFO and 2 alien heads, out of this world stuff, and we have our clear cast alien and Route 66 related stickers. I am not going to do a project today, but we will do some of these, I promise. There you have it, folks. That's this month's Mr. Nola's Glitter Wanderlust box going to Roswell, New Mexico. Thanks for joining me. Stay safe. I'll see you in the next video.